2002 Chevrolet Silverado 2500 HD Crew Cab Duramax 4x4. Some custom touches done to this truck, as you can see by the 20-inch fuel wheels on it. 132,043 miles on the odometer at the moment. Of course, 6.6 liter Duramax diesel with the Allison automatic transmission. Indigo blue metallic, dark charcoal leather interior. Take a look at this blacked out front grille, and obviously custom touches with the headlight surrounds, grille surround, a little different lighting system, bug shield. As you can see, paint has a nice shine to it. This truck's definitely got a good look to it. Check out the still pictures. You're gonna be able to see this truck from every angle: undersides, interior, engine bay, bed of it. UniqueClassicCars.com. If you're watching this video on YouTube, click on the link down below this video in the description. That's going to take you right to our website. Of course, you can call us 507-386-1726. It does have a spray-in bed liner, soft tonneau cover. We're going to get to that in a bit. Up front here, upgraded front upper control arms. Also has Fox racing shocks on it. Take a look down this passenger side. I'll try to stay back as far as I can so you can see the whole thing. You can see paint's not full of nicks, dings, scratches. Good looking powder coated Nerf bars, side steps, a little custom badging on it. And again, you can see nice reflection in that indigo metallic paint. Tint has been applied to the side windows and the rear windows, so know your local and state laws as far as your darkness that you can have on your percentage of window tint. Looks like also custom mirrors may have been added here too, so maybe turn signal indicators in there. Those do not look stock. Bed rails, in that soft tonneau cover, spray and bed liner. You'll be able to see that in the still pictures. Custom tail lights. Big MBRP exhaust tip on there, and you'll be able to see the exhaust in the underside picks. Remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email. Once again, those still pictures, UniqueClassicCars.com. In with the still pictures, you'll be able to see the RPO codes if you want to see exactly how this truck was equipped from the factory. Also, the manuals are with the truck. You'll see those in the still pictures. Hey, if you like 4x4s, you like Chevy trucks, GM trucks, really any brand of truck, go ahead and subscribe to our YouTube channel. You never know what you may see come through here at Unique Classic Cars. Videos are uploaded daily. When these videos are uploaded, the vehicles are for sale, and you can purchase them online or right off our showroom floor. And if you want to see past vehicles that we've had here, like I said, go ahead and subscribe to our YouTube channel. You'll know when you get updates on the fresh ones, and you can also go back and look through the archives of all the other vehicles we've sold here. So here's that dark charcoal leather interior, of course, bench seat in the back. I did notice there is some wear on this driver's one. I'll show you in a minute. Of course, you're going to have your modern amenities that you're going to get with the Silverado package in 2002, with the heated seats, memory seats, power windows, power mirrors, power locks, power seat up here, of course, bucket seats, center armrest, console. But here's where you can see some of that wear in the leather, and on the backrest there also. I tell you what, I will fire this up for you in here real quick, since it is a Duramax. Electronic transfer case, does have an edge tuner in it. I'm going to show you underneath the hood before we fire it up and check the exact miles though. So let's go ahead and take a peek underneath this hood. I think I should be able to get this one-handed. This hole. There we go. All right, so we do have a cold air intake. I know that. You'll see that over on this side. Filter looks good in there. And then power steering, power brakes, AC. There it is, 6.6 liter. Turbo diesel, that Duramax power. All right, so that gives you an idea what the engine bay looks like. Let's go ahead and check out the exact miles. We'll fire this up so at least let you hear it run for just a bit, since we are indoors. All right, so here's your exact miles, 132,043. We do have a Boss audio system aftermarket that's been installed. I mentioned the Edge tuner. All right, let's go ahead. Pull plugs off. Top of the dash looks good. Passenger seat, you'll be able to see in the still pictures also, so take a peek at that. Again, the stereo is working. I did have that powered up and sound coming from it earlier. And again, exact miles, 132,043. That's flash and tell me to put my seat belt on, by the way. Here's the gauges are working. You'll be able to get an idea to see what the lights look like too a little bit here. 2002 Chevrolet 2500 HD Crew Cab Duramax 4x4. Good looking truck. Some nice custom things done to it. UniqueClassicCars.com. All the still pics. 507-386-1726. We do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation. And this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email.
Hey, did you know that this car qualifies for an extended warranty? It's just like the one you get at your new car dealership, except it covers your classic car instead. It covers all the major components like engine, transmission, drivetrain, and you can get coverage up to 10 years. Repairs aren't cheap. These extended warranties are a no-brainer. Contact us for a quote on this car today.
Today we're driving a 2002 Chevrolet Silverado Crew Cab diesel. She's lifted a little bit, got a nice stance to the tires, tuned up. We have an Edge screen right here giving us all our vitals. A little bit of traffic. Stereo is working. When the traffic waits for other traffic, we must wait. Oh yeah, I feel the power. This thing's got some torque. Plenty of torque, lots of fun to push the throttle down on this truck. One of the better styles of Chevy truck in the later era, in my opinion. This one looking really good with the blacked out grille, the bed rails, the steps, or rock sliders, if you will, maybe. That stereo sounds really good. That is a touchscreen. Nice road manners in this truck. Firm ride as you would like to have from a big diesel truck. Dark tinted windows completing the look. Leather bucket seats with center storage. Our transmission temperature hasn't come up off of 100 yet, and that's because we're just getting warmed up. The engine temperature is about 180. Volts are over 14. The fuel gauge is over half. Oil pressure is 65 to 70 psi. And our tachometer and speedometer are working well as they should. This is an automatic on the column, so it's super easy to drive. Just push the cruise control button and let her go. Cruise is working as it should. Beautiful truck. Take a look at this 2002 Chevrolet diesel at UniqueClassicCars.com.